Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Apache Flink for batch and streaming processing, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that your system meets the requirements for installing Apache Flink. You will need Java Development Kit version 8 or higher installed on your machine. To check if Java is installed, open your terminal and type Java version. If Java is not installed, download it from the Oracle website or openjdk.net. Once Java is installed, set up the Java environment variable. On Windows, navigate to System Properties and add a new variable called Java_home. Point Java_home to the directory where Java is installed. On Linux or macOS, add export Java_home =path/to/Java to your bash profile. Next, download the latest stable version of Apache Flink from the official website. Choose the distribution that suits your needs, either the binary or the source package. Once the download is complete, extract the files to your preferred directory. For Windows, use a tool like WinRAR or 7-zip to extract the files. For Linux or macOS, use the command parxzf_flink-star.tgz to navigate to the extracted Flink directory in your terminal. To start a standalone Flink cluster, run the script bin/startcluster.sh for Unix systems. For Windows, run bin/startcluster.bat. Once the cluster is running, open your web browser. Access the Flink web dashboard by navigating to http://localhost 8081. This interface allows you to monitor your Flink applications and job status. To create a new Flink job, you can use the provided example jobs. Navigate to the examples directory in the Flink installation folder. Choose an appropriate example, such as word count for batch processing. To submit the job, use the command bin/flink run examples/streaming/wordcount.jar. Monitor the progress of your job on the web dashboard. For streaming applications, you can adapt the examples provided for real-time data processing. Make sure to adjust the input sources and configurations based on your use case. Once you have finished working, stop the Flink cluster. Run bin/stopcluster.sh for Unix systems or bin/stopcluster.bat for Windows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.